Yes. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Dear Maths classes. In the last classes, we discussed some questions from 21st Jan 2026 second shift. Let's go remaining questions. Here, the next question is if the line alpha x plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0, okay, alpha x plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0 is tangent to the ellipse 3x square plus 4y square is equals to 1, then find alpha. Okay, so this line is a tangent to the ellipse. Find alpha. Okay, so let you consider this ellipse as equation number 1. Now this line equation alpha x plus 2y minus 4 is equals to 0. Simplify this, we get 2y is equals to plus 4 minus alpha x, and y is equals to 4 minus alpha x by 2. We get y is equals to 4 minus alpha x by 2. Now this y value substitute in this equation number 1, we get a 3x square plus 4 of y square means 4 minus alpha x by 2 whole square is equals to 1. So this numerator 4 and denominator 4 is cancelled because here 2 square it becomes 4. What is the remaining 3x square plus 4 minus alpha x whole square is equals to 1. Simplify this 3x square plus it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So 4 square is equals to 16 plus alpha square x square means a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2 into 4 is 8. 8 alpha x is equals to 1. So this is equals to 1 is transformed left hand side. It becomes minus 1. Okay. So minus 1 is equals to 0. So finally we get 3x square plus alpha square x square minus 8 alpha x. This 16 minus 1 is plus 15 is equals to 0. Okay. So from this, take x square as a common. Remaining is 3 plus alpha square x square minus 8 alpha x plus 15 is equals to 0. Clear? For tangents, for tangency, for tangency here discriminant is equals to 0. So discriminant means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0. What is b value here? Minus 8 alpha. So minus 8 alpha whole square minus 4 into what is a value? 3 plus alpha square, and c value is 15 is equals to 0. So minus into minus plus it becomes 8 square is equals to 16, and alpha square here 15 4 just 60, and 15 4 ja 60. Next, 6 3 ja 18. So here we get minus 180. Plus into minus minus 15 4 ja 60. 60 into alpha square is 60 alpha square is equals to 0. So here 64. 8 8 ja 64 here. Sorry. Okay, 8 8 ja 64. Small mistakes. So 64 minus 60 is 4 alpha square. This minus 180 transform right hand side, this value it becomes plus 180. So here we get alpha square is equals to 45. 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. So alpha square is equals to 45 means what is alpha here? Plus or minus 3 root 5. Correct. 9 5 is 45. Plus or minus 3 root 5. So alpha value is plus or minus 3 root 5. Clear? Now, go to next question. Find the area bounded by 1 minus 2x less than or equals to y less than or equals to 4 minus x square. Clear? So now the point of intersection, the point of intersection, uh, the point of intersection. So this 1 minus 2x is equals to y, and 4 minus x square is also equals to y. So these two fellows are 1 minus 2x is equals to each other. Okay, simplify this. We get x square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. We get one quadratic equation. So using a splitting of middle term, x square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0 means we get x is equals to minus 1 comma 3. Okay, 3 1 ja 3. Here negative sign is there, so minus 3. So 3 minus 2 is, sorry, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay. So here in the question given area bounded by. So here upper curve is 4 minus x square, lower curve is 1 minus 2x. So area of this upper curve and the lower curve is area of this. So lower limit is minus 1, upper limit is 3. So upper curve 4 minus x square minus lower curve 1 minus 2x whole dx. Simplify this, we get minus 1, 2, 3, and here 4 minus 1, we get 3. Okay, and minus into minus plus 2x. Remaining is minus x square dx. Clear, very clear problem, very simple. So now integration of constant value is 3. Integration of dx it becomes x plus 2 constant is outside. Integration of x dx is x square by 2 minus integration of x square means x cube by 3. So here the boundary conditions lower limit is equals to minus 3 and the upper limit is equals to 3. So simplify this using the formula. Okay, so 3 of 3 plus, so here this fellow 2 2 is cancelled, remaining x square. X square means here 3 square minus here 3 cube, 3 cube by 3 minus of, now substitute this lower limit values, 3 of minus 1 plus minus 1 whole square minus minus 1 whole cube by 3. Okay, so here 1 3, here 1 3 is cancelled. So 3 square. So remaining is 3 square here. Okay, so minus 3 square plus 3 square is cancelled. 3 3 is a 9 minus, so minus 3 and plus 1 minus 1 by 3. Okay, so product with negative sign. So 9 minus into minus plus 3 minus into plus is minus 1. So here minus into minus it becomes again here minus into minus, this value becomes plus, sorry, here minus 1 whole cube it becomes minus 1, minus into minus it becomes plus. So minus into plus it becomes minus 1 by 3. So 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 minus 1 is 11, 11 minus 1 by 3. So 11 minus 1 by 3 means 32 by 3. So answer is 32 by 3. Okay. So thank you for watching. So for more updates, please share and subscribe my channel.